Over the past year, our business has grown by roughly 50%. We certainly attribute Mojo Dojo to this success because we're reaching the right types of people, and that's certainly visible from the types of queries we're getting. Without Mojo Dojo's assistance, our current success might not have been possible.
When they first came to us, one of their biggest problems was that they weren't getting the right types of leads. People who were calling their office were calling about services that they don't actually provide.
We're not reaching our target market, and we were getting so many incorrect calls for clients we could not help. For example, a client would call us and ask us to help them with their family law case or their commercial law case, but these were services we didn't provide. It was very frustrating as we were paying for SEO through a third party and getting no return. We would go days without getting any phone calls. When we did get phone calls, it was for the wrong kind of query. It seemed like we weren't reaching the right audience. When Mojo Dojo came along, we are getting more and more clients calling in each day, clients who we can actually help. Based on our marketing reports, we have achieved an overall 277% increase in traffic, 160% increase in website visibility, as well as our website now ranking for double the number of keywords. The quality of leads are so much better than in the past. We realized Mojo Dojo's service was actually working when we stopped getting incorrect calls and started getting more tailored customers querying about the services we offer. This was a huge success since our target market is so niche. We realized we were now spending time helping our clients rather than spending time taking phone calls from people who we couldn't help.
Specifically with the content that we write for them, because of the nature of their business being in the legal sphere, we have to make sure that we have all of the right facts. We have all the tone that they want. We have to maintain a certain level of professionalism. So getting all the facts from Kayla is really important for our writing staff.
In terms of the content that Mojo Dojo has been preparing, it covers the relevant process that our clients would go through and the practical aspects of things, which we probably wouldn't think of because we're so engrossed in the actual work. So coming from a different perspective, Mojo Dojo is able to look at things from the client's perspective and write content from that perspective, but it's information that's not readily available. So Mojo Dojo does their research, they ask the right types of questions from us, and from that, they create a content that's user-friendly. The reasons why we did go with Mojo Dojo was because Kayla, our marketing manager, was so happy with how she could communicate with Zach, our account manager at Mojo Dojo. We wanted to, try a different approach to SEO, and he'd answer our queries, whether it be from a creative perspective or something different that we hadn't tried before. So having that open line of communication was immensely helpful for us. What stood out most about Mojo Dojo was their genuine interest and attention to detail when dealing with them. They asked a lot of questions to understand our service and what we were offering, and presented us with the best option and how to move forward. They set realistic expectations, and when asked to do something, it was done within a timely manner. They have communicated with us on a monthly basis, and we know if we ever need anything, we can always give Mojo Dojo a call or send them an email.